comes to sustainable development in the Bahamas and across the wider Caribbean, one local company continues to set the standard as the region's leading development consulting firm. Our business reporter, Natario McKenzie, has more in this week's Inside the Boardroom.
This week on Inside the Boardroom, I sat down with Carlos Palacious, one of the managing principals of Bron, to discuss how the company is leading a new wave of thought about sustainable development and environmental preservation. Bron continues to solidify itself as the leading development consulting firm in the region, having completed more than 1,500 projects throughout the Bahamas and the wider Caribbean, spanning infrastructure, environmental, and technical development.
Yeah, we're very excited to be one of the largest firms, if not the largest, in the English-speaking Caribbean, having done over 1,500 projects over 60 islands and keys in the Bahamas and throughout the rest of the Caribbean. And for us, what that means is we are really exporting our talent to the region. We get trained, as you know, in the best universities in the world. We go all over UK, US, Canada, some have gone as far as China, and we bring that expertise back.
Palacious says that international collaboration plays a role, but emphasizes that national development should be driven by local knowledge and skills.
For us, it's always been about understanding, one, that Bahamians are the best at anything we do and anything we put our minds to. And two, that we can build our country through our own expertise. And obviously that's still collaborating with the brightest minds around the world, but we have everything within us that we need to develop our nation.
Data and science remain at the core of Bron's work, helping clients and governments make informed decisions, particularly in complex and sensitive projects.
So we are ultimately scientists, architects, engineers, a variety of different expertise, but we really manage data. We collect and manage data to help guide our clients to make good decisions. So about a decade ago, we wrote the Integrated Coastal Zone Management Policy Framework for the Bahamas, which essentially set out how do we respond to climate change? How do we make sure that we have hurricane resilience? How do we adapt and mitigate with our infrastructure? And that is the things we're starting to see rolled out. Updated building codes are on their way, making sure that when hurricanes happen, that we help to inform the communities and even help to relocate some persons.
Palacious says that the company continues to invest in young professionals, describing internal growth as key to raising standards across the industry.
I started as an intern here. Every year we take on over a dozen interns. And over 20 years, we've had several hundred persons intern with us. So what we are looking at doing is continuing to invest in the future. Because persons invested in me, we invest in others. And as we pay it forward, we build a certain level of expertise within our scientific community, our STEM community. And so whether you work with Bron one day or not, the point is we raise the bar. Because when the tides rise, all boats rise. And that's what we're here to do.
Palacious says the company's expansion reflects a long-term commitment to developing local talent while positioning Bahamian expertise to compete at the highest level across the region and the world. Natario McKenzie, Eyewitness News.